Brian again, and I'm going to walk you through your 5,000 cycle maintenance. What we're going to do on this one is first we're going to remove the splash guard. We're going to cut the filter paper roll. Now we're going to hit our program setup button, and right here we'll hit filter paper install. Third time's the charm. Now we will remove the filter paper roll. We'll go back to the front. We'll close the brewer. We're going to take the recommended amount of urn cleaner and pour it into the brewer. Now we're going to go to an auto rinse cycle. Before you start your PM, make sure you know where the power switch is on the lower left hand side of the machine, right back here. Once we start the auto rinse, and we're going to watch, it's going to fill this brewer up with water, and keep an eye on it for when it goes down into the brew chamber. Let all the water go in there, and then we're going to shut off the machine. At this point, we're going to let it sit for 5 minutes in the brew chamber and let it clean that brew chamber. Before you start your rinse cycle, make sure you have a container underneath just in case any liquid comes out. Now we waited our 5 minutes, we go back, we turn on the machine. It's going to go through its boot up process, which will take a few minutes. Once it goes through its boot up process, then the machine will clear out all the liquid in there, the old urn cleaner. Go ahead and dispose of that, and at this point, once we dump that, we're going to go in, and they recommend to do 5 rinse cycles to clean out any of the urn residue left in the brew chamber. So once again, we'll go to auto rinse, and we will do that 5 times. Now we have to run your filter paper back through. In order to do that, you hit your program setup button, you come out, hit your filter paper install. The brew cup will lift up and allow you access to get the paper underneath. You can follow the diagram on the inside of the machine on how the paper is run. It goes underneath the spindle here. Through here, and then you just lift up on the bar with the rubber wheels on it, pulse them down. Once you get it that far, you come back to the front, press here when done. Your brew head will go back down to home position. You can reinstall your splatter guard. And just hit exit service mode. After you've completed all these steps, go ahead, shut and lock your machine. You can dump your drip tray, wipe it clean. Now you've successfully run through a 5,000 cycle PM.